Alright, hi everyone and welcome to the video. My name is Amil Shah and in this video I want to call for developers or Pythonists. So basically I have my GitHub profile right here. I have about 100 repositories. I have published about 10 to 12 packages on PyPy, so you can download with simple pip commands. Now, the reason for this collaboration is as follow. So if you think you know Python and if you think you want to contribute to the society, to the world, because if you publish packages, not only you are going to use it, but the people all around the world are going to use it, and that makes a difference. So since we are contributing, so let's why not we make up basically an organization on GitHub, and basically we will basically make packages and publish those packages as an open source. Why you should do that and what is your benefit in doing that? First of all, you will improve your Python coding skills. Secondly, you can add this in your resume so that you have published so many packages. Thirdly, basically, you will get a very good hands-on experience on how to publish packages and you're contributing to the society. So I'm thinking of some kind of like a collaboration. So for people who knows GitHub very well, we can we can create an organization and we can work accordingly. We can decide a project. We can have a weekly meeting, or basically, or at least twice in a week, we can have a video conference and we decide what are we working on or what do we want to work. Once that is done, we can package it up and publish that library. So let me know what do you think on this idea. I had this idea and I wanted to share this idea with you. We can also have like a meetup every 2 weeks for those people who are really very interested in learning and collaborating with people all around the world. So the people who are there on my YouTube channel and who think they are good at Python, we can have a conference video call like on Hangout or Skype. We can all connect at least twice in a week and discuss our ideas, thoughts, what is the current trending technology and what are you working on. Let me know what you think about this idea because I am thinking that we should all collaborate and we should all code and make the society better. I mean, so that the people can use this library and create wonderful projects that will eventually benefit the society. That's it. Just a thought. I wanted to let you know. This week I'm traveling, so I won't be making any contents this week. But eventually, I want to make like a small group or something like on Facebook or any kind of group where we can communicate and we can make interesting projects with Python and help the society and the world. So that's it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If so, do give a like. Let me know what do you think on this idea. Do you wanna work with me, or let's work together instead? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and I would be very happy to answer all of your questions. That's it for this video. Hope you have enjoyed it, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.